juicy. Woo.
Darcei!
Hey guys! What's up? It's your favorite bald headed bitch back at it again with another video. Today, I will be turning into a supermodel. And I know what you're thinking, Darcei, aren't you already a supermodel? Yes, but only on Instagram. Anyways, today I'm gonna be turning into everyone's favorite Hadid sister, Bella. Sorry, other sister. Known for her stunning looks and amazing body, Bella Hadid is one of the hottest supermodels out there. And lately, everyone's been talking about her super exaggerated, elongated eyes. Sister's eyes are snatched. I feel like there's gonna be a lot of snapping in this video. Is it natural? Is it makeup? Is it surgery? Maybe it's Maybelline, I don't know. So this foxy eye trend has been going around lately, and I thought maybe I should try it. Especially since my eyes are not foxy in the slightest. Maybe a little puppy dog, but definitely not foxy. So I thought, hey, this is working for other people, maybe it'll work for me. I wanna look like a snatched supermodel too. And if I've learned anything from making these videos, it's that anything is possible if you believe. Okay, so first I'm gonna have to look up photos of Bella Hadid to get an idea of exactly what this eye makeup looks like. Oh yeah, I see that little show. That show. I'm sorry. My god, her whole face just goes upward. I am fighting gravity every day. Okay, so this makeup is super basic, which is great because I don't know how to do makeup. So I need something at a very low skill level. Okay, so we're gonna attempt this model look, but I feel like I really wanna look the part and I wanna get that hair she's got too, because that hair, that is it, honey. I've always wanted to do this ponytail. Do you think I can do it, guys? I'm gonna try. Okay, so step one to becoming a supermodel is be born into a very rich family. I don't have that, so we're gonna skip to step two, which is pull your hair into a face-snatching ponytail. Let's get started. But first, a word from our sponsor, Sakoshi Mart.
Sakoshi Mart has all the newest, hottest items when it comes to Asian beauty. They also sell snacks, stationery, stuffed animals, socks, you name it. They carry all of my favorite brands like COSRX, N3CE, and they even have BTS face masks. I know you want those. Visit Sakoshi Mart's new website if you want to get the latest K-beauty items, cute stuffed animals. Oh, look how cute they are. Oh my god, so cute. And extremely addictive snacks like these.
Fettuccine.
Who cares when it feels like crap?
Sakoshi Mart is your one-stop shop for everything Asian beauty and more. And it's also personally my favorite store. They have locations in the Toronto area and I basically live there. I mean, before COVID-19. But have no fear, because Sakoshi Mart now has a website. So even if your favorite location is closed, you can still shop online. And what's even better than that is I have a coupon code for you. Use code POTATO to get 10% off your order. I don't get anything out of this, I just love you. It gives me joy to know that you're typing in potato and thinking of me. I love you. And they ship out of Toronto, so if you live in the Toronto area, the shipping is like instant. That's why I like it. Shop at sakoshimart.com today. Use code POTATO. Okay, back to our scheduled program. Okay, so I'm gonna go onto YouTube and look up a Bella Hadid hair tutorial. There must be one. Yeah, just what I thought. There's like a million of them. Okay, let's click this one. This one looks really good and it has a lot of views. 2.8 million views. Jesus. All right, this has to be good. Let's watch. First thing she's doing is parting her hair to the side with a rat tail comb. Now, which side do I want it on? I think I want my bangs on this side. This is my good side, you know, don't want to cover that up. Is this good? Okay, so then we're gonna take a section here for the bang. Separate it. I hope this is enough hair. Okay, so now we're just gonna put the rest of our hair into a ponytail. That's easy, right? It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, here we go. arms hurt. Okay. And you gotta hairspray it along the way. Make that shit stick. Oh yeah. It's starting to look like a supermodel already. Just tying it again. Just putting 2 hair ties. Putting 2 hair ties up there. Alright, let's do it. Double tie. I do not have enough hair for this. Now the bangs! So you just tuck that behind your ear. Seems easy enough. Damn it! This is harder than I thought. Alright, then you're gonna take a piece of your hair, and I mean, I don't really have a lot of hair to spare, but we're gonna do this anyway. Take a piece of your hair and just wrap it around the ponytail. I don't know what that does, but it does something. Now you gotta flip your ends. So Bella Hadid's hair is actually flipped inwards, which I feel like would look better on my hair length. So we're gonna do that. Alright, so now we're really starting to look the part. Let's get started on the makeup. First, I gotta prep my skin. You know I gotta pull off the snail juice. This is the COSRX Snail Essence. Yes, there is real snail juice in here. This is how I keep it juicy. So we're gonna take a couple pumps of this and apply it to the skin. Oh yeah. Smooth. And I love to keep my eyes juicy as well. Everyone loves juicy, juicy eyes. So I take the Snail Peptide Eye Cream from COSRX as well. And we're just gonna take 1 pump of that. That was actually a lot. Don't use this much. I'm just gonna apply that under the eyes and rub it in ever so softly underneath your eye. And I also recently got this snail cream too. You can get all this stuff at Sakoshi Mart, by the way. Use code POTATO. Look at this stuff. Look at it. Look at it. It's disgusting, but I love it. Ew. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's everywhere. Oh, I've never felt so juicy in my life.
Juicy. Ooh.
Oh yeah, look at this supermodel skin. You can't buy this in stores, ladies. Just kidding, you can at Sakoshi Mart. Use code POTATO. Next, I'm gonna use these, or one of them. I don't know which one. These are the Glow On bases from Etude House. Pretty sure Tiffany from Girls' Generation uses this one. Pretty sure. So we're gonna use this one because I wanna be like Tiffany. Yes, this is definitely giving me that supermodel glow. I'm gonna be on the cover of Vogue in no time. Okay, so now that we're prepped, primed, and ready to go, we're gonna start with the eye makeup first because it's the most important. And if I mess up, I can just clean it up with concealer. And let's be honest, that's exactly what's going to happen. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is prep my lids for eyeshadow. So I'm gonna be taking this concealer here from Too Faced, and I'm just gonna slap that on my eyelid. There's no technique to this, no rhyme or reason, we're just doing it. I just wanna blend that out. Blend, 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 ladies, blend, blend, blend. And set it with some powder. Okay, so I'm looking at Bella's eyeshadow here, and she's got very warm, neutral tones going on. So I'm gonna take this extremely old and dirty Too Faced palette because this feels like the color tone that we're going for. So I'm gonna start with Freshly Picked. Okay, so the whole point of this makeup look is to make your eyes go upward. So we're gonna have to apply the shadow in an upward motion. Wish me luck. I'm gonna take a small brush and see if I can just outline the corner of my eye going up. And it's ending right at the end of her eyebrow. So it's almost like this. Lift, lift, lift. She's also got a super deep crease, so I want to concentrate on the crease as well. I'm talking like I know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna really deepen the crease and elongate the eyes. Oh, Darcy, shut up. Okay, now I'm gonna take a really small brush and I'm gonna put it in the brown one and we're gonna hope for the best. Just pray for me, people. Ooh, that's kind of sexy. I'm kind of sexy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is it working? Is it working? Really getting that crease. Really getting there. Get real creasy. Swoop. Oh, snap. She's swooping now. Okay, we're just gonna add a little sparkle. I'm gonna be taking this palette here from CLIO. This is the Rusted Rose palette. And I'm just gonna take this gold shadow here, just slap it on. I'm gonna take this KISSME eyeliner and I'm just gonna take this to just define the eyes a bit. And for lashes, I'm taking these cute little things. All right, let's put these bad boys on. I'm pushing up the end of the lash. See if I can make my lashes a little bit more foxy. And for mascara, I'm gonna use this one from CLIO. This is their volumizing mascara. Oh yeah, we're starting to look snatched. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of my face now. Let's apply some foundation. Now I realized that there is more to this look than just the eyes, alright? Her whole face is absolutely snatched to the goddamn gods. So that's what we're gonna have to do now. I have no choice. Bella made me do it. Next step is crucial. We're gonna be using concealer. I'm gonna take this same concealer that I was using before and we're gonna apply this under the eyes. And our eyes are already snatched. But this is gonna be the real kicker. This is gonna send us into supermodel status. I don't know if I'm ready to handle this. Am I ready to reach my potential hotness? I don't think I'm prepared. Okay, before we blend this out, gotta do our eyebrows, which are just as important. Now, Bella's eyebrows are snatched all the way up here, and my eyebrows don't do that. But I'm gonna try and elongate my eyebrows as much as possible. So I'm gonna take my Anastasia Dip Brow, and I'm gonna try and make an outline. So I wanna go as upwards as possible here. Really bring it up. As you're doing your eyebrows, just say snatched in your head over and over and over again. Snatched, 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 snatched. You better work it, girl. Do your thing on the runway. Work, work. Sachet, Shantae. I look damn fine. Who trying to wipe this? You better work it, girl. Wet your lips and make love to the camera. Sachet, Shantae. I wish my name was Shantae. It sounds so exotic. So français. Oh, this eyebrow is so much better than this one. Damn it. I almost want to make this eyebrow uglier to match this one. Okay, let's blend this out. Now this part is very important, ladies, because you don't want to mess up your eyeshadow. So I'm gonna bring my concealer upwards, and that's really gonna snatch the face. Normally I just blend my concealer all willy-nilly, but today I am sending it into the high heavens. It's going right into my hairline, girl. Okay, then we're gonna set all that with some powder. Next, we're going to contour. I'm contouring with my Morphe powder. And let me grab a photo again for reference. Apparently my phone does not recognize me when I'm this snatched. Wait, that's kind of sad. So Bella's got those super high supermodel cheekbones that I clearly do not have. But we're gonna have to make them up. We're just gonna have to draw them in. Oh yeah. That's a lot of contour. It also looks like she definitely has blush on, so I'm going to be using this blush from ColourPop. This is the color Underclassmen. Wow, this is so pretty. I'm so pretty. My hair is falling apart. Then I'm going to take some powder and carve out my cheekbone. I always find this part really difficult because I cannot make a straight line. Okay, so now that I have a powdered beard, it's time for the lipstick. She's just got a very natural, peachy looking vibe going on here, so we're gonna attempt that. As usual, I have to start with my brown eyeliner. That's not right. As usual, I have to start with my brown lip liner from Morphe. Bella doesn't have big lips like mine. You know, she doesn't have these fatties. My lips be dummy thick. So I'm not gonna overdraw them today. In fact, you can kind of underdraw them a little bit, just so Bella doesn't feel bad. And I'm gonna go over that with a nude lipstick. And then I'm gonna take this juicy, lasting tint from Romand in the color Lychee Coral. Guess where you can get this, y'all? That's right, Sakoshi Mart. Use code POTATO. I'm just gonna finish up underneath the eye here, adding a little bit of the same color eyeshadow that we used on top. Oh my god, I think I did it. Honestly guys, I'm so frustrated that none of these videos have gotten me a modeling contract yet. Come on, I know I'm only 5 feet tall, but I can do it, okay? Just put me in 10-inch heels and I'm ready to go. How'd I do, guys, huh? Huh? Do I look like Bella Hadid? Do I? Huh? I think I did pretty good. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. All the products that I use that can be found at Sakoshi Mart will be in the description box below. Make sure you guys use code POTATO to get 10% off. I'm mad because I look really pretty right now and no one's here to see me. Well, except for everyone watching this video. I wonder how many people that's gonna be. I'm an actual goddess. I'm coming for your crown, Bella. I just have to grow 10 inches. But I'm coming! No one needs to gas me up because I do it myself. Everyone has their time, okay? And it's my time now, Bella. That's life. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You might as well subscribe. I know this is like the 5th video that you've watched in a row, man. Come on. Just click the button already. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram because that's where I take suggestions for new videos and I post really weird things. Anyways guys, I will see you in the next video, which will be in 2 seconds because you're gonna click one of these. Isn't that so convenient? I love this feature. And don't forget that I love ya so much. Bye!